BOCAT TV. Nera.
I have to love what I'm doing. So music is something I really truly love. It's part of me. It has taken long because I needed to gather the experience. It has taken me long because I needed to gather the finances because music is expensive. It has taken me long because I needed to believe in myself first and family, work on my brand and image as an artist for me to be able to mentor another one. So I can't mentor before I become stable. Right now I feel like I'm stable as an artist in Uganda or East Africa, and I'm ready to pass on what I know, using every influence and opportunity that I have around me to push the next artist. Because I believe so many people have talent in Uganda, but they don't have the opportunity to share their talents. So I want to provide that platform because nobody provided me that platform. I want to provide it to somebody else. Thank you.
What exactly are you going to be doing for these talented musicians as part of Kama Music?
As part of Kama Music, I'm going to be paying for their music videos, financing everything as a business. First, we'll sit down. I've learned what I've learned out of the business. So we'll have legal information immediately. Before I sign an artist, we'll sit with the lawyer. I'll make sure she or he goes through each and every line to understand what they're getting into. Deeply, with my integrity, with my hard work, with my clarity, because I'm very transparent, I'm a very honest businesswoman. So I want to start to open a business page in music for the first time that is clear. I don't know about other music, but I didn't start my business as clear as I want to start it. So I'm gonna learn from my own mistake and then do better for my artists. I'm going to be able to protect my artists because I know where I went wrong. So I couldn't protect myself. So I'm here to use my mistakes to make them better. I'm ready to be vulnerable enough, share with them what I've gone through, and they learn. And I share the love, I share the pain, because it's not easy. And I'm willing to fight for them and protect them because I know what I need as an artist. I'm willing to give it to them. Yeah.
Thank you, Sheeba, for such a beautiful venture.
Thank you.
My question is, for someone maybe outside Kampala, I'll talk about people in the north, deep in the east, that are not well versed with the digital platforms, email, we're talking about tags on Instagram and Facebook. How are they going to make their submissions? And my second question is, you said you have a team that is going to be handling this for you. Do we have any coordinators in these different regions, like let's say east, west, or south? Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. Obviously, it's a baby. I just gave birth to this beautiful. It's been there for some time, but we just launched it. So welcoming ideas like that. Like, can we have can we have personal contest? But we're gonna get into that and figure out how other people who can't use their phone or who don't have a smartphone, how do they get into the contest? We're gonna get to that. And if you can't actually use your phone, there's another way. Get your friend who has a phone. I'm sure if you don't have a phone, you have a friend or a neighbor or anybody in your family. You can't tell me you don't know anybody that has a phone. And for you that has a phone and a talent walks to you and say, hey, record me, I wanna get into it, please. Be a human, be a kind human, and help them. And if that fails, we're gonna figure out how to get to you wherever you are, up country or not. I'm gonna think about that with my team and we see how to juggle with that. Thank you.
My other question is,
yes.
How does someone get onto, I'm talking this in terms of employment or getting that opportunity to work with Sheeba and her brands. How does someone get to work with Kama Music? Because I know a lot of guys there from maybe digital writers, producers, photographers, journalists that would like to, because I know of a journalist who is so passionate about Sheeba. So how do they get to work with Sheeba?
What's his name?
I'll say that confidential, maybe I'll mention it.
Oh, come on. Those people are supposed to be given their flowers, but people, they love. But whoever you are, thank you, man. Thank you for standing by a real. So, how do people who want to work for the label get to us? Same thing. The pages are there, you can DM. The email is there, you can write on. The number is there, you can call on. We're gonna put there the number, the contact, the email, the WhatsApp, everything. Before the end of the day today, you're gonna be seeing everything. But for now, DM, email, everything you can do. You know, if you want something, you can't fail how to get it. Find out getting to us. For now, every information is on our social media. Thank you so much. And yes, we are welcome. We're welcoming artists. We're welcoming writers. We're welcoming producers. We're welcoming people who are, because in our music sector or industry sector, there are people who are prominent in the business. The writer, the artist. We all need you. We're going to work together. So if you know you're a good producer and you're young, but you want also a chance to work with us, please don't hesitate. Write to us. If you're a writer, don't hesitate. Write to us too. If you're a media personality that would want to take on Kama Music, please still write to us and we'll get back to you. Thank you.
Probably my last question to Sheeba.
Okay.
Over 10 years in the industry, is this move, are you making your move away from music? Are you planning on retiring from music with this new venture?
Why do you want to chase me from my music? No, I'm not. But I want to share what I have before I leave stage. But of course, I'm not gonna be on stage forever. I'm not planning to do that. I started working at a very early age, so I want to retire early. I don't know what early means to me, but I really want to retire early. But I cannot put a date and year to that yet. No. Not now. We still have a battle to do. Sorry. Off topic, but it's nice.
Sheeba, one last one from you.
Yes.
Are there any renowned personalities that are part of the directors in Kama Music? Oh, tulaba Kama tumaje, that's Sheeba.
Mulaba Kama mlabe Sheeba Karungi. That's it. Anything beyond that, as you know me, I don't discuss my business details on screen. Yes. Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Congratulations, Queen. I'm so happy for you.
Oh, thank
such
you.
a love of music. My question would be, do we see Kama Music becoming the next Maven in, say, about 5 years? And if that's so, what's the target like? Because, you know, so much talent always comes on board, but it comes down to how many the label can sustain in terms of handling and growing with, you understand? So how many are we looking at in, say, 5 years from now? Thank you.
Thank you so much for that. So for now, I'm not going to limit Kama Music to any number because we are a baby, but our baby might be big, our baby might be small. But for now, what I'm thinking is our baby is going to be bigger than what we can even imagine because it's me. I'm not going to sleep. I'm not going to eat. I'm not going to do anything until I make it work. I'm resilient. And I'm going to teach my artists to be resilient as well. So I'm going to collect a bunch of hungry, angry, talented people. I'm looking for you. Be hungry. Be angry. And when I say angry, is you're angry enough to attack anything. Not in a bad way, but challenges. You need to be tough. So I'm not going to limit how many artists we're going to welcome. I'm going to let it play out. We could get 10 talented artists. I'll work my head off and my mind off to make sure those artists are sustained if actually it makes business sense. Because if I can spend on something that can make me more money, why not? So I'm going to look at it as a business venture in a long run. But for now, I want to get someone to touch our hearts. probably another Sheeba, probably another Rema, probably another, or probably a unique character that we've never seen. I'd be more interested in that. So, I'm not going to limit the number. We could be 2 for now. We could be 10 next year. We could be 20 in 5 years. You never know. Inshallah. Whatever God wants for us, we will take.
BOCAT TV. Nera.